Good morning, students. This is Shivani Kumani here, your teacher of English, and I will continue the chapter 7 from your literature section. So, in the previous video, we have completed the story, some of exercises, and the hard words. Okay, so in this, I will solve some hard words from the page number 74. So, let's start with the question number D from page number 74. Chapter 7. Happy words. Happy words. Okay. So here we have the chapter number and the chapter name. I will start with the D number. Read the words on the wall. So first of all, we have to read the words from the wall. Here we total have 4 sections in this word wall. Okay, and in each section we have some kind of sound words. Okay, so in the first section we have og sound words. What kind of sound words? Og. So for our first word is dog, dog, log, frog, log, frog. So like this, they all are from the og sound words. Dog, dog means kutta, log means लकड़ी का क्या बोलते हैं बंडल, इकट्ठा जो होता है लकड़ी का गुच्छा, जो भी है कहते हैं उसको इकट्ठा किया हुआ गट्ठा, ये लकड़ी का गट्ठा. Then we have frog, मेढक, and in the second line we have, or in the second section we have ike sound words. What kind of sound words? Ike sound words. Like, bike, hike. Like means पसंद करना, bike is a name of a vehicle, and the hike means चढ़ाई करना. Then we have third section, and in this we have u sound words. Okay, u sound words are flew, blew, new, flew, ura, blew, hookah, new, naya. Then we have rai sound words. Cry, dry, fry. Cry means rona, dry means sukha, fry means bhunawa. Okay, so this is all we have in the word wall section. Then we have fill in letters to make word from the word wall. Here we have total 4 picture, and we have some dashes in front of this picture. So now we have to write the words to show to explain the picture, but we have to choose the words from the word wall. So here we have a picture of a frog. So we have to choose the word frog from the word wall. Frog, bike, flew, cry. Okay, so this is all we have in the D number. Now E. So in the E we have write the he and she words in the correct columns. So here we have some name of relations: sister, father, uncle, grandpa, daughter. Okay, so we have to choose the pronoun. Okay, I have already told you guys about the pronoun in the grammar section. We just have completed the chapter 6, in which we have talked about the pronoun, and I have already told you that in which kind of cases we use he and she. We always use she to indicate feminine or female, or we always use he to indicate male or masculine gender. So what we have to do, we have 2 columns in this. Here we have the first column like this. Okay, and the first column we have, this is C column, and then we have she and the he column. Here we have these 2 columns. Now we have to choose the words from this third column. Here we have the words like sister, father, uncle, grandpa, and then the last we have daughter. Okay, DAUGSTR. So first of all, let me tell you the meaning of these words. Sister, SISTER, sister. Okay, sister. What is the meaning of sister? Sister means bahan. Okay, then we have word father, FATHER, father. Father means Pitaji, Papa. Then we have uncle, UNCLE, uncle. Uncle means chacha, but in English we don't have a special word for mama and tau. So we use uncle for everyone except father, grandfather, like this. Okay, grandpa. grandpa means Dadaji, and the daughter. Okay, it's not daughter. Don't say daughter. Say daughter. Okay, daughter. Daughter means beti. Now we have to choose these. Now we have to choose the C section from this. Okay, so we use she for to show the females. So sister, बहन. तो बहन क्या होती है? Feminine gender से होती है. So we have to use sister, and we can write sister in the C section. Then we have father. So father shows the masculine gender. So we have to write father in the he section, because we use he to show masculine gender. Then we have uncle. So uncle is also from masculine or male. So we have to use in the he. Then we have grandpa. So grandpa also goes to this section. Then we have daughter. So here we have the daughter. Okay. So and we also have so many words like here, mother, sister, aunt, and the grandma. Then in this section we have father, son, uncle, brother, grandpa. Okay, look. What is the opposite of sister? Brother. Sister means bahan, brother means bhai. Daughter, beti, son, beta. Mother, ma, father, pa. Aunt, auntie, uncle, chacha. Grandma, dadi, and the grandpa, father. So we have separated these two things in this exercise, and I hope you have understood the difference between where can you use he and where can you use she in the sentences. Okay, so this is all we have in the E number. Now I will do F number. Okay, so in the F, what we have? In F we have write A or AN for each picture. Write A or AN. Okay, for each picture. Look, so I think you guys already know about the article, because we have to know about the article from the junior section. In that we got to know about because in junior section we already learned about the alphabets, and in that alphabets we have already learned about the vowels. And if you know vowels, you can know how can we use a and in front of the vowels, and how can we use a and the in front of the consonants. So here we have to use a or an according to the picture. In the first picture we have apple. So for apple, what we have to use? Because a is okay. First of all, we have to know where we always use an. So we use an in front of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U से स्टार्ट जितने भी वर्ड होते हैं उनके आगे हम ए एन को लगाते हैं. एंड इन 5 को छोड़ के, इन वॉवेल्स को छोड़ के जितने भी कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं उनके फ्रंट में हम क्या लगाते हैं? ए. ओके, आई थिंक अगर आप भूल गए होंगे तो आपको याद आ गया होगा. सो दिस इज एप्पल, दिस इज एन एप्पल. तो ये स्टार्ट होता है एप्पल ए से, तो ए इज अ वॉवेल. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू यूज ए एन. Okay, then we have second number, and in the second we have a picture of a cup. Okay, cup, I don't know how to make this cup. I will just do like this.